How to change your country in OKX. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video we will be learning how you can easily change your country in the OKX application. First of all, open the OKX app on your mobile device and log into your account. Once you're inside, go to the top left corner and tap the menu button. From the expanded menu that appears on the screen, go ahead and tap on your username at the top. Now from the User Center, go to the Country or Region option from the Profile section. Click on Update and change your country by selecting from the drop-down. After selecting your country, click Next. You'll then need to go ahead and upload your ID issued by your government to make the change. Select whether you'd like to upload or verify with your driver's license, passport, or national ID card. I'm gonna select driver's license. Now click Next. And now on the next page, you'll need to go ahead and allow access to your device's camera and click on Start Verification. Now you'll get to scan the front of your ID and the back. Simply go ahead and follow through the on-screen instructions. If your account is not fully verified yet, you may need to restart the verification process, enter the correct country during KYC, and that way you will be able to change your country. So that's it. You will be able to change your country once the verification is done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Thank you for watching.